Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and this is ShareALive. In this video, I would like to show you what I picked up today from LV and what are those giveaway presents that I would like to give away in this video, as well as I promise when I reach to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway present. So those 3 presents that I would like to go through again if you missed out the video that I put up earlier. And the last part is I would like to show you what I try on at LV store, what other bags available and how does it look like with the strap on, with the shoulder strap on, with the crossbody look. So please continue watching. First of all, I picked up this bag today. This bag is called LVXLOL Speedy BB. This bag is in 20 cm long, is bigger than 90 Speedy, and this bag is so hard to get. It's exclusive order. It's only available for specific day to be ordered online only. So I was so lucky to have a friend who can help me to order this online, as I was overseas at that time. But the wait was so long, is 6 months, until today I pick up this bag. And what I like this bag is the zip logo, as well as the size is 20 cm. It can fit most of my essential, and also the strap is detachable with adjustable length. And let me show you how does it look like on me. And I am 158 cm tall, and this is the look on me. And you can wear it on the side as well. And for this strap, I have an idea as well. If you have Speedy 25 in your collection, you can also add it on your handbag and put it like this way and make it as a crossbody bag. I know at the moment, because of the handle has different color than the strap, so but later on when you expose to the sun, this strap will be getting the similar tan color as the Speedy. So it does look quite matching. For sizing, I prefer 20 more, but 25, it does look more practical when you go for traveling. But they both look great. Depends on you like the print or not. Sometimes some people doesn't like the print here, they prefer monogram. But unfortunately, LV doesn't have the design of plain monogram on this design. Size 20 with this detachable strap, and I wish they can release one day. Yeah, thank you for seeing this bag, and now I'm gonna show you those 3 items that I will be giving away. So the first prize is Hermes Twilly 2020 Jungle Collection, pale pink color. Really like the print, and you can actually wrap it up on the handle as well, on LV bag or Hermes bag or any handbags that you have handles to hold, so you can actually put it, wrap it up like this way. Yeah, and you can search how to wrap up the Twilly on the handle from YouTube. They have so many examples to show you. And the second prize that I would like to show you is a headband, and the ribbon is from Chanel 2019 holiday Camellia flowers from the Christmas version, and I converted it into a hairband. Let me show you how does it look like on me. Yeah, and you can add it on with the Camellia flowers, so it's very cute. And these Camellia flowers, you can convert it as a brooch or a clip as well. You can put it on your outfit. And the third prize is Chanel Chinese New Year Camellia flowers. I converted as a brooch as well as a hair clip, so you can use it either way, as a brooch or as a hair clip. As a hair clip here. Yeah. So I hope you're gonna be one of the winner from the draw, and please enter the draw by following the procedure. I will be listing down the instruction below. This is the instructions on how to enter to the lucky draw. First, for the YouTube part, number 1, please subscribe to my channel, ShareALive, in this link. Number 2, like this video and click the notification bell on. Number 3, comments below and please put your IG username, add your IG username so that I can PM you if you win. For IG part, number 4, follow at ShareALive. Number 5, like the giveaway photo. Number 6, tag to a friend in the comments below. This is very important. You must follow both YouTube and IG step for your entry to be valid. And the last part of this video, I would like to show you what bag that I've tried on at LV store, whatever available. I picked a few of the popular bags. I want to show you how does it look on shoulder and crossbody. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you have any comments below, please leave it down there, and I'm happy to do another video. I'll see what is the most request questions and or review. I'm happy to do one as soon as I can. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys stay safe. Happy weekend. Thank you.